promise you care for me.
What's up guys, it's me Anthony. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you are, my name is Anthony, obviously. I make a lot of lifestyle content, a lot of film industry stuff, and film school stuff. So if you're interested, you should subscribe. Today's video, I am prepping to move all the way across the country to LA. So yeah, I'm excited. This is my second video on my college series. I'm really excited. I am moving to LA for film school, USC film school. Go Trojans, fight on. And I need to pack a lot of things. So that's what this video is going to be, me packing. It's gonna be a separate like move-in vlog, so stay tuned for that. That's coming soon. I'm not gonna be taking a lot of things. A lot of it's gonna be clothing, bath stuff, things like that, because I was able to have my stuff shipped to my mentor's house. All of it is ordered and shipped already in LA, so I'll just go pick that up before my move-in day. So all I have to do now is pack my clothes, stuff like that, go through my desk stuff, pack all that. That's really all I have to pack. So I'm filming the intro on a separate day, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the actual packing process now. What's up guys? It has been like 2 weeks since I originally last did the intro, but today is officially day 1 of packing. No, I'm not packing that just yet. It's going to be a lot to pack, but it's whatever. I went to HomeGoods today and got a couple of things. I'm gonna show you guys that, and then I also think I'm gonna start packing up some of like the smaller stuff, or like just kind of going through and deciding what I want to bring with me. I also think I'm gonna end up packing like what's in my closet, because a lot of it is just like a lot more formal clothes and a lot more like pants and stuff that I probably won't be wearing for a while. So I'll probably work in my closet as well today. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I only got a few things from HomeGoods. First, probably this last. It's like this jewelry tree. I don't want to unwrap it because they did a pretty nice job at it, so I don't want to unwrap it. But it's a gold jewelry tree for my dorm. For my dorm, I'm thinking more like kind of neutrals with gold accents. So I'm also going to use like a pop of color from like album covers that I bought, and like movie posters and like artist stuff like that. So I'm doing that for like my style. So I did like wood, gold, and then I also got probably the mess behind me, but I also got a gray water bottle because I realized that I forgot I lost my water bottle at work, so I bought another one. Beast that we're going to handle is this side wall that you guys are currently propped up on. It has hats, it has my old bullet journal, some shoes, posters, books. It's a lot going on here, so I'm gonna go through it and really trying to just decide what I want to keep, what I want to take, and if I want to like continue to use some of this decoration. Yeah, okay, it's now like 7 o'clock and we're still on like day 1 of packing. But today I'm going to do this bad boy. And then I also think I'm gonna pack some of my bags that I have down here. And then I'm not sure what we're doing with my shoes. I actually want to ask my mom and see like what I should do with my shoes. But by the end of the day, I want to at least get the stuff that I know I'm gonna pack for like closet, like dressy wise, in the suitcase. And then also some of my bags, stuff like that. So this will be done. It's summertime, and then also between now and time for me to move, I don't really have anything I need to dress up for. I'm gonna pack it up. So let's get into that. You guys are in a very dangerous, compromising position, but that's okay. So I'm just taking my shoes out. Like these are all, some of the shoes I have in here like a little bit more dressy, and then also like some of my high tops that don't fit into my like shoe basket under there. So I'm gonna get my shoes and then also get my bags in this bucket. I have a couple like bags and backpacks like that I'm gonna take, but I'm not gonna take too many because I won't really rotate them unless I'm going to like an event or like I'm hanging out with somebody. I ended up packing more than I expected. I was listening to myself earlier where I was talking about like I'm literally wearing black shirts and shorts all summer long. And I have a package of like 5 black t-shirts coming in today. I was like, I might actually just pack some more pants and pack some of the graphic tees I'm not wearing. So I was able to fill up my entire suitcase with my closet stuff, business casual, business stuff, pants, and like graphic tees that I'm not wearing right now. So yeah, I packed more than I expected today, which is good, which gives me some more like breathing room for the rest of the week. Alright, what's up guys? It is now like less than a week since I leave and I still have not packed much. I cleaned all my shoes. I'm about to pack those shoes. I'm about to pack that. I'm about to really kind of just finish packing because the rest of my week is super busy. Like from Thursday, or like Thursday, Friday to like my first week of classes is like jam packed. So yeah, let's go ahead and start packing my shoes. I'm gonna listen to some music while I do that. Done packing my clothes and stuff like that, so now I'm about to handle this. Let's get to it. It shouldn't be that bad. Fingers crossed. So next up is going to be my desk drawer. And as you can see, it's quite messy. But I bought desk organizers. This is not going to be my story in college. So I'm going to go through this and then also pack it up at the same time. My lamp, it's a smart lamp, so I can change colors and stuff like that. But then I realized, I was like, more than likely, I should probably just like buy LED lights. That'll be a lot easier than trying to take this lamp down and like potentially break in the light bulb. So I'm just going to buy LED lights and call it a day. packed for college. I am excited, I'm nervous, I have all the emotions going on right now, especially seeing like all of my life packed up in these suitcases. It's a very emotional week, very fun week, but yeah, so next time you'll see me, I'll be in LA, so make sure you subscribe and like and comment and follow me on all my other social media platforms, which is at Anthony D. Clark, linked in the description box below. So yeah, outside of cleaning and outside of packing small little knickknacks the day of, I am done. So I see you guys in LA. Bye.